Time to make my Father's Day idea come to life. This is a shadow box frame. My dad's the classic dad, loves to build stuff. Literally, he left these at my house. So now he's getting them back in a different way. Start with a handful, and I'm mixing them up. I think that'll look really good to have all different colors and sizes. Boop. All right, now I'm arranging these. Now we have a heart. Now I'm just picking these up, add some hot glue, and I'm sticking this right back down. And just smear on the glue so it doesn't look clumpy. All right, now let's see how many I forgot to glue down. Not bad, only one. Next, I printed out some really cute photos of my dad. Here they are. I'm just gonna cut these out. This was our dog's puppy graduation. Next, I've used this scrapbook pad for so many different projects, but for this one, I want this sheet. It's just a bunch of paintings. Cut out the frames. Add some glue to the frame and stick these in the middle. And here's all the ones I made. Obviously everything with Sunny is the cutest. All right, I'm adding some hot glue to the back of these and adding them right onto my nails. A little daddy-daughter hit the bar, very typical. That will go in the middle. There we go. It's time for my cricket. I just got this and I love her already. And now I'm super excited to show you what I designed for this, hence the screw theme. I just airdropped the design. Okay, it's here. Click, and we're gonna make it. Boop. And now it's go time. Every time I watch this thing, I'm just amazed. All right, it's done. So let's see how this turned out. And I'm gonna line this up with the lines to keep this design nice and straight. Now you'll need this. This is the most satisfying part right here. Oh yeah, pulling it off. And it's all looking good. All right, now I was worried I was gonna be screwed, but this looks really good. Now you'll need some transfer tape. I am peeling this off. And this will stick to the back. Now it's time to take this, which is so cute, and stick this back in your frame. It should slide right in. I hate these things, but we gotta do it. Last one. Now it's ready for the best part. I'm just taking this, flip this around, and I'm just trying my best to find center here. Hopefully I did. Wow. I can't believe how good this came out. I was scared at first that this was off center, but it actually looks great. And you can see everything through the layers. I really just love this so much. And then obviously this is just true. Without my dad, I'd be screwed. This would be so cute to hang in the garage or his office. I love it. Let me know what you all think and hope you enjoy. Get your favorite frosting? Oh yeah. Get some chocolate sprinkles. Get along the sides. Okay, everyone, and now our dad just needs some glasses. And check out this dad cake. I love it. Here's what you need. One sheet is good. Make sure you're fully covered. Last one. I like using all different colors. And now press down your hand. And now right here, I added some text. Snippy, snippy. Now just place this on a baking sheet with parchment. Put a second piece of parchment right on top. And stick this in the oven. Look what happened. Hook this part, pinch this tight. And now you have a fun gift for your dad for Father's Day. This is so cute to do with kids, and you can write their name and the year if you want. Hope you like this one.